Hey there, fellow travellers. Did you know that tucked away on Norway's rugged coastline is a city bursting with colourful history, vibrant culture and breathtaking natural beauty? Today, we're whisked away to Bergen, a place where wooden wharves whisper tales of ancient trade routes and mountaintops offer views that'll make your jaw drop. We're going to dive headfirst into the heart of this charming city, exploring everything from the UNESCO-listed Bryggen Wharf to the captivating art scene and the iconic Fløyen funicular. By the end of this video, you'll be itching to pack your bags and experience the magic of Bergen for yourselves. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel and share this video with your fellow travel enthusiasts. Let's get started. Bryggen. This isn't just a row of colourful buildings, it's a living museum, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a testament to Bergen's rich history as a trading powerhouse. Imagine, centuries ago, Hanseatic merchants bustling about these very wharves, their ships laden with stockfish and spices. These tilted and weathered wooden structures, some dating back to the 14th century, have survived fires, feuds and the test of time. As you stroll along the narrow alleys, peek into the workshops and galleries now home to local artisans and craftspeople. You might even find a unique souvenir to remind you of your time in this captivating corner of Bergen. Remember, folks, Bryggen is more than just a pretty facade. It's a place where history comes alive. So take your time, soak in the atmosphere and imagine the echoes of merchants bargaining and ships setting sail for distant lands. I remember chatting with a local shopkeeper, a woman named Astrid, who told me Bryggen is the heart and soul of Bergen. It's where our story began. And you know, after spending some time here, you really start to feel that deep connection to the past. Don't miss the opportunity to step inside one of the old merchants' houses, now transformed into museums. They offer a glimpse into what life was like centuries ago, with their creaky floorboards and dimly lit rooms. Now, for a little change of pace and a whole lot of breathtaking scenery, we're heading up to Fløyen Mountain. The Fløyen funicular, a Bergen icon since 1898, will whisk you up nearly 1,000 feet in just a few minutes. As you ascend, keep your eyes peeled for glimpses of charming wooden houses clinging to the hillside, each with its own story to tell. And the view from the top? Well, let's just say it's nothing short of spectacular. From the summit, you'll be treated to a panoramic vista of Bergen, its colourful harbour, the surrounding islands and the mighty 7 mountains that cradle the city. It's the kind of view that begs for a photo op, so be sure to have your camera ready. But Fløyen is more than just a pretty face. There are hiking trails crisscrossing the mountaintop, ranging from leisurely strolls to more challenging climbs. Pack a picnic, breathe in the fresh Norwegian air and lose yourself in the beauty of nature. Fløyen Mountain is truly an experience for all ages and interests. Ready to tantalize your taste buds with some of the freshest seafood you'll ever find? Then come along with me to the Bergen Fish Market, a bustling hub of local life and a feast for the senses. Since the 13th century, fishermen have been bringing their catches to this very spot. And today, it's a vibrant mix of stalls piled high with shrimp, salmon, king crab, and more exotic fare that might just surprise you. Don't be shy, chat with the vendors, ask them about their catch of the day, and maybe even try a sample or two. For the truly adventurous, there's even the option to try whale meat, a traditional Norwegian delicacy, though it's a topic that sparks debate even among locals. What do you think about trying traditional foods, even if they're not common where you come from? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're looking for a quick and delicious meal, grab a fish cake or some smoked salmon on a bagel. The Bergen Fish Market is an experience that will stay with you long after you leave. It's a reminder of the city's deep connection to the sea and a testament to the bounty of the Norwegian coast. Perched on the edge of Bergen Harbour, Bergenhus Fortress stands as a silent sentinel, a testament to centuries of history and a guardian of this strategic port city. Its imposing walls and ramparts have witnessed Viking raids, Hanseatic power struggles and even World War II bombardments. As you wander through the fortress grounds, you'll encounter structures dating back to the 13th century, each with its own fascinating tale to tell. Don't miss Rosenkrantz Tower, a Renaissance-era masterpiece that once served as both a royal residence and a fortified tower. Inside, you'll find winding staircases, grand halls, and even a dungeon or two. And for a truly unique perspective, climb to the top of the tower for panoramic views of the harbour, the city, and the surrounding mountains. You can almost feel the weight of history as you gaze out over the same waters that Viking longships once sailed. From ancient history, we now journey into the world of art and culture at the KODE Art Museums, a collection of museums spread across 4 buildings in the heart of Bergen. Don't let the name fool you. KODE might sound simple, but the treasures housed within are anything but. Here you'll find everything from Edvard Munch's iconic paintings, including one of his famous The Scream versions, to contemporary installations and decorative arts. Each museum offers a unique perspective on art and design, showcasing both Norwegian and international masters. Take your time to wander through the galleries, letting the art speak to you. I remember standing in front of Munch's Melancholy, captivated by the raw emotion conveyed in the brushstrokes. I overheard a local art student say, "KODE is a place where you can get lost in different worlds, different emotions, different ways of seeing. Whether you're an art aficionado or simply appreciate beauty in all its forms, KODE has something to offer everyone." Don't miss the chance to relax by the lake in the museum garden, a tranquil oasis in the heart of the city. Prepare to be transported back to medieval Norway as we venture just outside the city centre to Fantoft Stave Church. This intricately carved wooden church with its soaring roofline and dragon head carvings is like something out of a fairy tale. Imagine for a moment the Vikings of old, their beliefs blending Norse mythology with Christianity. Stave churches like this one were a testament to their craftsmanship and their unique cultural heritage. Sadly, the original Fantoft church, built in the 12th century, was destroyed by fire. But like a phoenix rising from the ashes, it was painstakingly rebuilt in the early 20th century, using materials salvaged from the original structure and traditional building techniques. The dimly lit interior, with its intricate carvings and runic inscriptions, evokes a sense of mystery and wonder. Fantoft Stave Church is a reminder of Norway's rich history and a testament to the enduring power of human craftsmanship. Hold on tight as we embark on another exhilarating adventure, this time to the summit of Mount Ulriken, the highest of Bergen's 7 mountains. While Fløyen offers stunning views, Ulriken takes it to a whole new level, literally. Hop aboard the Ulriken cable car, and within minutes you'll be soaring above the city, treated to breathtaking vistas of the fjord, the mountains and the sprawling urban landscape below. It's the kind of view that makes you realize just how small we are in the grand scheme of things. At the top you'll find a modern restaurant with floor-to-ceiling windows offering panoramic views as you dine. But the real treat is venturing outside onto the viewing platforms. From here, you can gaze out over the vast expanse of the Hardanger Fjord, its waters shimmering like 1,000 diamonds under the Norwegian sun. On a clear day, you can even see all the way to the North Sea. Have you ever dreamed of stepping inside a real-life fairy tale castle? Well, at Gamlehaugen, you can do just that. This elegant manor house, nestled on a hillside overlooking the fjord, was once the home of the Norwegian royal family. Built in the early 1900s, Gamlehaugen is a blend of architectural styles, with its turrets, towers and grand halls evoking a sense of both grandeur and intimacy. As you wander through the meticulously preserved rooms, you can almost imagine the royal family going about their daily lives. The surrounding gardens are equally impressive, with their manicured lawns, colourful flower beds and serene walking paths. Take a stroll through the grounds, and you might even forget that you're in the heart of a bustling city. Today, Gamlehaugen is open to the public, offering a glimpse into the lives of royalty and a chance to experience the elegance of a bygone era. Don't miss the opportunity to step back in time and discover the magic of this royal retreat. Calling all ocean lovers and marine enthusiasts, no trip to Bergen is complete without a visit to the Bergen Aquarium, a world of underwater wonder where you can come face to fin with fascinating creatures from Norway's coastal waters and beyond. From playful penguins and curious sea otters to majestic sharks and colourful coral reefs, the Bergen Aquarium offers a glimpse into the diverse ecosystems that lie beneath the surface of the sea. Get up close and personal with local species like cod, salmon and lobsters, and learn about the challenges facing these creatures in a changing environment. The aquarium is not just about entertainment, it's a centre for marine research and conservation, dedicated to educating the public about the importance of protecting our oceans. Whether you're travelling with kids or simply have a fascination with the underwater world, the Bergen Aquarium is an experience that will leave you feeling inspired and amazed by the wonders of the sea. While Bergen is a destination in itself, no trip to this region of Norway would be complete without venturing out to experience the awe-inspiring beauty of the Hardanger Fjord, the 5th longest fjord in the world. Just a short ferry ride from Bergen, the Hardanger Fjord will captivate you with its towering cliffs, cascading waterfalls and charming villages nestled along its shores. It's the kind of place that will make you want to ditch your itinerary and simply lose yourself in the beauty of nature. Rent a kayak and paddle through the crystal clear waters, hike to the edge of a thundering waterfall, or simply relax on the deck of a fjord cruise, taking in the breathtaking scenery. The Hardanger Fjord is also renowned for its fruit orchards which burst into bloom each spring, transforming the landscape into a sea of pink and white blossoms. Well, folks, there you have it. We've explored the heart of Bergen, from its historic wharves and mountaintop vistas to its vibrant cultural scene and the breathtaking beauty of the surrounding fjords. Remember the magic of Bryggen, the thrill of Fløyen, the taste of the fish market, the history of Bergenhus Fortress, and the art of KODE. If you're looking for a destination that seamlessly blends history, culture, and natural beauty, look no further than Bergen. It's a city that will capture your heart and leave you with memories to last a lifetime. Until next time, happy travels.